Hi, it's Stephen from DeeperThanBlue. Today I want to talk about something that's revolutionising how businesses manage their digital infrastructure. Containerisation and Kubernetes. Spoiler alert, it's considerably more exciting than it sounds. So, what are containers? Picture containers like perfectly organised Tupperware for software. Unlike the chaotic mess in your kitchen drawer, these digital containers package up everything an application needs to run. Code, runtime, libraries, the lot. No more, well, it works on my machine, excuses. Let's look at why containers actually matter. Consistency. Your application runs identically everywhere. Lightweight. They're far more efficient than traditional virtual machines. Isolation. Each container is its own self-contained ecosystem. Turning now to Kubernetes. The digital conductor Kubernetes, or K8S for those in the know, is essentially the project manager of the tech world. It orchestrates containers with the precision of a military operation. It deploys the applications. It scales systems up and down. It manages container health and ensures everything runs smoother than a well-oiled machine. The key components of a Kubernetes deployment are pods, the basic units of deployment. Think of them as the studio flats of the container world. Clusters, groups of machines working in harmony. Nodes, individual servers in the cluster. And finally the control plane, the strategic brain making critical infrastructure decisions. So, where might you expect to see serious businesses leveraging this technology in the real world? In financial services, for example, for secure, scalable banking platforms. In healthcare, for managing complex patient data systems. In telecommunications, for handling massive network infrastructure. And in retail, to create robust e-commerce platforms that can handle peak trading. As one of the world's handful of Kubernetes certified service providers, we at DeeperThanBlue aren't just talking about this technology, we're implementing it. With several certified Kubernetes administrators on our team, we transform complex containerization challenges into streamlined solutions. Fun Facts Corner: Kubernetes originates from the Greek meaning helmsman or pilot. Essentially, it's the captain steering your technological ship. That's why there's a steering wheel on the logo. And why the K8S abbreviation? Simply because there are 8 letters between the K and the S in Kubernetes. A bit of developer wordplay that's caught on. In summary, containerization offers scalability that doesn't break the bank, portability across different environments, efficiency that makes your IT team smile, reduced deployment headaches, and accelerated development cycles. Containerization isn't just tech jargon, it's how forward-thinking businesses stay competitive. And if you need a guide through this digital landscape, well, you know who to call. If you're curious about how containerization could transform your business, get in touch with DeeperThanBlue.